Nutritional biochemistry reveals a fascinating truth. Every bite you take triggers thousands of biochemical reactions. These reactions break down food, release energy, and build your body. Understanding nutrition isn't just about eating, it's about understanding how life itself works inside your body. These classes of food are the foundation. Follow me to learn what really happens to food after you eat it. The secret journey of food inside your body, how food becomes energy and muscles and life. Let's explore this incredible process.
Every time you eat, your body begins an incredible chemical process. Food is more than just something that satisfies hunger. It provides the nutrients that fuel your cells, build tissues, and keep you alive. Nutritional biochemistry study how nutrients interact with the body at the molecular level. You can see the human sitting on a dining with healthy food. Let's go into our part. I want you to remember that the body requires 6 major nutrients: the carbohydrate, the proteins, the fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. And each of them perform a unique biochemical function necessary for survival, as you can see here in the image. This is the nutrient categories you can see in this infographic style. Molecular particles begin to glow and move throughout the body. Always remember that digestion starts in the mouth. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase that begin breaking down carbohydrate, if it is carbohydrate that you ingested. And the stomach continues this digestion using hydrochloric acid and enzyme. In this image or the video you are seeing is a cross-sectional view of mouth and stomach and how food particles being broken down by enzyme. The next thing that happens is that in the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed through millions of tiny finger-like structure called villi, and this structure transfer nutrients into the bloodstream. You can see the transferring of nutrients there into the bloodstream through this microscopic view of intestinal villi absorbing its nutrients. Now let's go into the other processes. Before we go into other processes, you see the glowing nutrient particles. They enter through circulation because that's their method of entering. They enter through circulation. The next step I'm going to tell you is how carbohydrates become energy. Carbohydrates are broken into glucose. Cells use glucose to produce ATP, the body energy currency. So during this process, what happens is that, let's know that this process occurs through glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and the oxidative phosphorylation. The process you are seeing here is the glucose molecule entering cells, mitochondria generating bright ATP energy particles. So you will see the futuristic medical visualization. The next step is protein build and repair. Proteins are broken into amino acids, and this amino acid help build muscles, enzyme, hormone, and repair damaged tissues. As you can see here, you can see the fibers, muscle fibers regenerating from amino acid, protein molecule, assembly tissues, and medical science, as you can see. This is the body energy reserve. The dietary fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol. They provide long-term energy, protect organs, and help absorb the fat-soluble vitamins, which we know is A, D, E, K. They are the fat-soluble vitamins you can see. In the video, you can see the fat molecule travel through lymphatic vessels. You can see it here. So we talk about the vitamins and the minerals. The vitamins and the minerals act as cofactors for countless biochemical reactions. And without them, enzyme cannot function efficiently. If you look at this video now, it's a microscopic enzyme machinery activates immediately as vitamins and minerals attach. And once they do that, they start their biochemical pathways. It will be very interesting for you to know that deficiency can also cause diseases. Like now, let's look at the difference. When nutrients are lacking, the body chemical system fail. Vitamin D deficiency weakens bones, iron deficiency causes anemia, and protein deficiency affects growth and immunity. If you see the video, is a healthy cellular function gradually slow down as nutrients disappear. The bones weaken, the red blood cell decrease. That is what you can see in this illustration over here. You can see it's normal cells, decreased cells. Food as a medicine, you should know it. The food you choose today shapes your health tomorrow. A balanced diet supports metabolism, immunity, your brain function, and longevity. Every meal is a biochemical message to your body. That is why every time doctors, the nutritionists will ask you to eat wisely, because the food you chose today will help you know how long we are going to live. So, in other words, food is information.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing biochemistry and metabolism tutorials that make complex science easy to understand.